In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk delete contacts in HubSpot. First, you need to sign into HubSpot. This is your gateway to managing your contacts efficiently. As you enter your credentials, take a moment to double check that you are using the correct account. This is crucial as it ensures you have access to the right contacts you wish to modify. Once you are signed in, you will land on the HubSpot dashboard, which gives you a clear view of your marketing tools, sales pipeline, and more. This step is essential as it sets the foundation for the actions we will take next. Next, navigate to CRM and then select Contacts. You can find the CRM option on the main menu, usually located at the top of the screen. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu. From there, select Contacts. This will take you to a list of all the contacts currently stored in your HubSpot account. It's important to know where to find this section, as it houses all the information you'll need to manage your contacts effectively. You will see a comprehensive table displaying contact names, emails, and other key details. This visibility helps you ensure you are targeting the right contacts for deletion. Now it's time to select the checkboxes next to the contacts you want to delete. As you look through your list, identify the contacts you no longer need. Click the checkbox next to each contact's name to mark them for deletion. Be careful during this step, as selecting the wrong contacts could lead to unintended deletions. Take your time and ensure that you are only selecting the contacts you wish to remove. This step is key because it allows you to customize your deletions, making sure that only the unwanted contacts are affected. From there, click Delete, which is represented by a trash icon at the top of the table. This action prompts a visual cue that you are about to remove the selected contacts from your account. The trash icon is typically easy to spot, but make sure you are certain before proceeding. Once you click this icon, you will initiate the deletion process. This step is significant because it prepares the system to execute your request, paving the way for the final confirmation. After that, you will need to confirm the deletion. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking you to verify that you indeed want to delete the selected contacts. Take a moment to review the list one last time before confirming. This is an important safety net that helps prevent accidental deletions. By confirming, you ensure that your account stays organized and clutter-free. Once confirmed, the contacts will be permanently removed from your HubSpot account. You'll notice a brief message indicating that the deletion was successful. With that, you have successfully bulk deleted contacts in HubSpot. This process not only simplifies your contact management, but also helps maintain the accuracy of your data. Regularly cleaning up your contacts can save you time and prevent confusion in the future. If you follow these steps carefully, you will keep your contact list streamlined and effective. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in managing your HubSpot contacts efficiently.